Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the NEOHOOK Hot L-type camera vertical plate. This is the box that it comes in. There are no information on it. I will just open this and show you the L-type stand in question. So there you go. This is what it looks like. This is basically a conjoined base plate. You can place the camera here with the lens sticking out this side, or you can place the camera here with the lens sticking out this side. The idea is that this is a mount that you can use to shoot horizontally and vertically depending on your usage. And there is this element as well. Okay, so this is basically the rubber base. It came out and it goes right in over here, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the NEOHOOK Hot L-type camera vertical plate. Thank you for watching.